Hello lovely clients, I just wanted to take a few moments of your time and speak to you about a very special workshop that we've got coming up in our clinic. Now, being that it's the end of January, it's quite possible that some of the New Year's resolutions that some of you may have put together might not be going as well as what you would like. So we have decided that this quarter we've designed something to help you all with some of those changes. So on February the 19th, on Wednesday night, we will be running the Real New Year. Now this workshop is designed to help you understand what the things are that get in the way of us making changes for our better well-being. We'll be looking at how to set SMART goals, and we'll also be looking at the 4 pillars of health that contribute towards well-being and give you some real practical ideas as to what you can do. Now, this is not just for you as clients of the chiropractic domain. You are welcome to bring a friend, someone or a family member if you think that they would benefit from listening to this as well. We have a booking link below. You can click on that and book yourself into the workshop. We will be running it live. There will be a chance that there may be a Zoom recording for those people who physically can't get here, but the best in these situations is to be able to attend face-to-face to get the support from myself. I will talk to you a little bit later and let you know that there'll be an email and SMS coming out. We'd love to see you there and spend about 45 minutes of your time learning how to make real change in your life.